So how to move or copy paste your DJI RC file to your pen drive or SD card, anything. So first of all, you have to insert your pen drive. I am using this kind of converter. Insert your pen drive. So once done, just enter it to your mobile. First time you can see this kind of interface. So just open your drop down menu, then you can see your pen drive available here. Just press on explore. Now this is your pen drive. If you press on this three dotted line, then those files are for DJI RC, and this is your disk or pen drive. Now suppose I want to transfer DJI RC to pen drive. Select your video, then if you go to your DJI album, then you can see all of your file available here. Just suppose I want to transfer this one. If you want, then you can mark both as well. So I want to transfer this one only, and sorry, go back again. Then select and this three dotted line, then press on copy or move. Press on copy. Now go to your pen drive. Now here you want to, suppose I want to transfer it to my test area, then press on copy. Then file is copied. Now let's check disk. Now if I go the test area, then I will able to see this file. Now for example, you want to transfer file to SD card to your DJI, then go to your SD card, then area, then select, press on copy. Now download area, just copy it. Now how to find it, go back. If you go to your video, then if you go the download area, then you can see your file available here. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.